Level up your X4 adventures. Insta360's got the hottest accessories to unleash your creative potential. From head mounts for unique POVs to extended batteries for endless filming, we've got everything to make your X4 experiences legendary. So, without further delay, let's get capturing. Capture their world in a whole new way. With the Insta360 X4 invisible dive case, you can dive right into the action and record mind-blowing 360-degree underwater footage like never before. This case is designed to be completely invisible, giving you unobstructed shots that'll make your friends do a double take. No more pesky camera housings ruining the view, it's just you and the deep blue sea. And speaking of deep, this case can withstand depths of up to 50 meters, so you can explore even the most remote underwater realms. The seamless stitching ensures your footage looks professionally captured, not like a lone adventurer's work. And with Insta360's rigorous testing, you can trust that your X4 will be safe and sound, even when you're surrounded by curious marine life. Using this dive case is a breeze too. Just snap your X4 in, dive in, and let the magic happen. It's like having your own personal underwater cameraman without the expensive rates. Let's talk about the invisible selfie stick, a unique tool for anyone who's ever wanted to capture themselves in action without a clunky selfie stick ruining the shot. This stick is designed to disappear in 360-degree footage, giving you incredible third-person angles and shots that'll make your friends think you hired a pro camera crew. No more awkward arm extensions or weird angles, just smooth cinematic footage that'll wow them. Plus, it's built with high-strength materials that can handle tough conditions, so you can trust your Insta360 camera is secure. It also has an ultra-durable extension structure that'll keep it sturdy and stable, no matter how far you stretch it out. And it's lightweight and easy to carry. You can take it on all your adventures without extra weight. Cyclists, listen up. If you're looking to level up your ride footage, you need the bike headset cap mount. This gadget is key to capturing jaw-dropping POV shots that'll make your friends feel like they're riding with you through every twist and turn. First off, this mount replaces your bike's standard 28.6mm headset top cap, so installation is easy and no fiddling is required. Just pop it on and you're set to roll. But that's not all. Not only can you use this mount with your wide-angle Insta360 cam for immersive first-person POVs, but you can also pair it with a 360-degree camera and the invisible selfie stick for mind-bending third-person angles that'll give your footage a pro look. The adjustable design allows you to rotate the mount and capture new angles on the fly without interrupting your pedaling flow. It's like having a personal cameraman riding along, minus the extra weight. You want to capture those epic moments without any hiccups, right? That's where the high-performance memory card comes in. Designed specifically for the Insta360 X4, this little powerhouse will keep your camera rolling smoothly no matter how intense the action gets. With lightning-fast read and write speeds of up to 90 megabytes per second, this card can handle even the most demanding tasks like 8K video and high frame rate shooting without breaking a sweat. Whether you're shooting and editing all day, every day, this card has got your back. And let's not forget about those adventurous souls who like to take their cameras to the great outdoors. This memory card has been rigorously tested to maintain stable performance even in extreme cold temperatures as low as -4 degrees Fahrenheit. So whether you're shredding powder or exploring icy landscapes, your footage will be as crisp as the winter air. Elevate your audio game with the Insta360 X4 mic adapter. This nifty little accessory lets you connect an external microphone to your camera, giving you professional quality sound to match those stunning 360-degree visuals. But wait, there's more. The mic adapter is precisely designed for the X4, which means it's completely invisible when you're shooting in 360-degree. No more unsightly adapters ruining your immersive footage. It's like having a built-in mic, but way better. And here's the real kicker. With its dual ports, you can plug in a mic and charge your camera simultaneously. That's right, no more juggling between audio capture and battery life. It also features a sturdy buckle system that keeps your microphone securely attached to the camera. No more worrying about loose connections or accidental disconnects mid-shoot. Just snap it on and let the crystal clear audio flow. Protecting your investment should be a top priority, and that's exactly what the Insta360 X4 standard lens guard is designed for. This specialized accessory acts as a shield for your X4's lenses, safeguarding them from dust, scratches, and the inevitable wear and tear of everyday use. With its multi-layer coating, you can rest assured that your shots will remain crystal clear and stitched together flawlessly, no matter how rugged the conditions. And the best part? These lens guards are a breeze to use. Simply twist the base to remove or reinstall them in a pinch, no tools required. Plus, with the handy lens guard mode setting on your camera, you'll never have to worry about forgetting they're on and ending up with funky footage. So whether you're an adrenaline junkie or just someone who values peace of mind, the Insta360 X4 standard lens guard is an accessory you won't want to be without. Never run out of juice again with the Insta360 X4 charger hub. This intelligent charging station is a game changer for anyone who wants to keep their camera powered up and ready for action. With the ability to charge up to 3 batteries simultaneously, you'll always have a fresh pack on hand. This charger hub is equipped with an intelligent charging management system that monitors each battery independently. And if you're in a hurry, the hub supports PD fast charging, juicing up your battery to a whopping 80% in just 26 minutes. That's right, no more anxiously watching the charge percentage creep up at a snail's pace. With this, you'll be back in the action before you know it. To top it all off, the charger hub features a clear, logical lighting system that lets you know the status of your batteries at a glance. No more guesswork or confusion, just a simple, straightforward way to keep tabs on your power levels. So that's all about the Insta360 X4 accessories and gear. Do let us know what you think about this, as we'd love to hear from you. And as for everything else, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon if you want more content like this on your feed.